side to side.
Hi, baby.
Until it smooths out. One. And it's just get under it and push. Under it and push. And you start to smooth it out into a tall ball. And the skin on top starts to have tension. And we're going to do it to this one a little bit more also. So now I'm going to let these sit for 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to do it again. Right. So these have flattened out a bit over time. So I think we just shape them again to give them more height, more loft. And you're just tucking the dough underneath. And you can see the ball becomes smaller and more compact. So this is the end of pre-shaping. And then the next time I come back, we'll flour these, flip them over, and shape them. All right, so these have flattened out a little bit, and they've been floured. So now I'm gonna shape them, final shaping. So I flip it over, and the floured side doesn't stick, and we stretch it out into a nice square like this. So we get it nice and flat, and then we fold it over halfway, turn it around, fold it over, so we've made a 3-layer, and then on the long axis, we roll it up. Keeping care to get the edges to come over like this. And that's shaped. And here's our banneton. And we put that little puppy right in there. So we'll do that again for this one. Flip it over. Stretch it out a bit. So the floured side is down. And if I get it like this, we'll go like that. 1/3. 1/3. And then roll it up. Keeping care to get the edges to come over. There we go. Look at that. Nice. And then we got this, and we stick it in there. We got 2 little shaped, and sometimes I'll even just kind of pinch the top a bit to give it a little bit more tension, bringing it together for more. There we go.